thanks for tuning in to my conspiracy channel. Hey everybody, what's up? It's David. My mom left for a few hours, so let's play some Minecraft.
Hey everybody, it's Jackie with fashion.
Hey all you cool cats and kittens. It's me, Cheryl Baskins.
I'm Namastacy. Let's get ready to chaturanga.
This week, we're gonna learn how to use this $4,000 camera to make the sickest selfies you've ever seen.
This week we're gonna talk about fashion. Is it even fashion or is it fashion?
This week we're covering the beef between little baby potted plant and house cat.
This week we're gonna dive into how cats are aliens and aliens are cats and birds aren't real. Meow.
He's so silly.
I made this beautiful bowl of jalapeno cheetos at home and I'm gonna show you how to.
Sports. Ah, it feels so good.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
YouTube has over 368 million daily users. You're one right now. That is a massive audience to tap into, and if you have a YouTube channel, you may be looking into ads or sponsorship or brand deals to monetize your channel. But today, we've got another idea for you. Books! Remember books? They're like YouTube videos, but you can carry them around with you. Let's explore this classic medium a little bit more today on Lulu University. So why books? Well, the first reason is supplemental revenue. By creating a book, you can diversify your products and create some passive income for your brand. Create your book one time and then it can sell around the clock. Books can also help boost your brand. So add an air of authority to your brand by literally writing the book on it. Have you ever heard anyone say, I'm a YouTuber? I mean, that's cool, but what if you could say, I'm an author and a YouTuber? Creating a book helps further establish that you know what you're talking about and you have valuable insights to offer on your topic of interest. Bonus, boosting your brand with a book can help you reach new audiences, which can lead to new subscribers and more monies. Creating a book also provides a new way for you to connect with your audience. Imagine a world where the Wi-Fi is down or where your followers are somewhere where they can't hop online to watch your latest video. Don't deprive them the opportunity to engage with your content because they want to do something dumb like go spend time in nature. A book can help solve that. What kind of books will you make? So this will vary depending on the kind of content that you share on your channel, but a good way to get an idea of what book you should make is looking at the most popular content on your channel, what's getting the most engagement, what advice you are giving to your audience, or what questions you are getting asked regularly. Giving out business advice? Create a guide on top business tips or a book about things you wish you knew before you started. Sharing food reviews? Tell us where to get the best corn dog on the East Coast, or tell us how to make our own at home. Is your content focused around mindfulness or self-care? Creating a low or no content journal can be a great way for your followers to track their progress. Maybe you've created a really strong brand aesthetic. So by creating a blank notebook or journal with your branding or iconography on the cover, that's a great way to connect with people on and offline. As people use your notebook or journal, IRL, as the kids say, that's free advertisement for you. Got a famous pet that's already living rent-free in the minds of your followers? Create a calendar so it can live on their wall too. How should you get started? After deciding what content you want to share from your channel, then figure out the best way to present it. Will it be a narrative-driven novel, or a paradigm-shifting nonfiction book, or a photo book, a calendar, a magazine, a comic book, a graphic novel, a cookbook, what other kind of books? A yearbook. I don't know what kind of content you'd be making where a yearbook would be the right way, but hey, whatever. It's up to you. The point is, there are a lot of different ways for you to showcase and highlight your content. And best of all, you don't have to choose just one. With print on demand, you can make multiple versions and let your followers decide which one works for them. Pro tip, with Lulu, you can also play around with binding types. Hardcover, paperback, saddle stitch, coil bound, oh my. Once you've decided on your product type and trim size, that just means the size of your book, you can go to lulu.com/pricing to put in all the details. So the binding type, the trim size, the page count, if it's black and white or color. And by doing that, you will get templates specifically made for your book that you can download and use to create your interior file and your cover file. Next, you'll want to format your project. Be sure to check out our videos on interior formatting to learn more about that. And when the process is done, export as a PDF and upload to Lulu to publish, print, and prosper. How will you sell your books? Well, you can sell them through the Lulu.com bookstore. You can sell your books through global distribution, which means putting it through Amazon, Ingram, and Barnes & Noble. But one friend to another, you gotta have a way to sell them direct. What I mean by that is just selling them through your own website or social media channels. You've worked so hard to build this audience, don't send them away. You can send them to your website to buy your book, and that way you can collect customer data, earn more revenue per sale, and get paid instantly. We all know that algorithms can change, and having a way to connect directly with your own audience is a huge asset for any creator. By selling direct, you don't have to worry about inventory, you earn more revenue per sale, you get paid instantly, you can collect reader data, and you can white label shipping so your brand is front and center. When it comes time for you to monetize your YouTube channel, don't just rely on Geico ads and sponsorships to get you by. Turn your best performing content into a beautiful book that your followers can like in the real world. Be sure to like, subscribe, and what am I saying? You know the rest. Drop a comment below to tell us what kind of book you're making, and we'll see you next time.